Hey, if you use crypto, I want to show you how you can make a quick $50 and pay all of your bills with crypto. Okay, so my name is James Pelton. Almost all of my income right now is via crypto. And traditionally, when I would want to get money from crypto into my bank account to pay off my credit card or something like that, let me show you the process that I normally would have to go to just to pay off a credit card. But first I'd have to go into Binance, log in, that's alone. Then I have to wait for a text message to come to my phone. Then I would have to go to deposit. Then if I'm using like MetaMask to send the money in, I have to make sure that I have it in a token that Binance actually carries. So if it's not a token that Binance carries, if I have e-shares from EMP, Binance doesn't hold those. So first I might have to go to PancakeSwap and swap my e-shares for BNB, then deposit my BNB here, and it gives you a wallet address. And meanwhile, there's an opportunity to make mistakes right here. You get the wrong address or something. I get it on the wrong network. I have to make sure I get the BSC BNB address. Then I go to my MetaMask and send the money to this BNB address. Okay, then I have to wait for, sometimes it can take quite a while for stuff to show up on Binance. Then when I get onto Binance, then I have to trade the BNB for USD. I have to sell it basically to get US dollars. Then once I have the US dollars in my account, in my Binance account, and then once I have the dollars in my Binance.us account, I have to go to withdraw, have to make sure my bank account is connected, and there's a $10,000 daily limit on this, which I actually hit. And then when I want to withdraw the money, I have to, my $1,300 is in here. I have to click withdraw, make sure I'm connected to a bank account. There's a limit to how much I can withdraw each day. So let's say I want to do 1,300, preview with a withdrawal, confirm the withdrawal. It'll then send an email to my email account that I have to wait for. Then make sure to check my email, click confirm withdrawal, wait at least a couple days for the money to hit my bank account. And then I have to go to Chase. Let's say I'm paying off a Chase credit card. I have to log into my Chase account. Then on Chase, I hit pay card, and then it'll take another couple days for the money to go from my bank account to my Chase account. So this was all the steps that I had to go through to pay off one credit card. If you guys know anything about my household, I have a crazy household. So we have students living with us from different countries, and we just have all sorts of different credit cards going on for different things. And honestly, I spent a ton of time just trying to get money into the right places. So this company Spritz, I ran across, I think it was a Twitter ad that I found, and I got in touch with the CEO, and it's just been, I don't even mean to be dramatic when I say this. This has been a life changer for me. Okay, it's been an absolute game changer. But that exact same experience that took me maybe 20 minutes or so on Binance per card, when I come into Spritz, I just connect my MetaMask wallet, click pay with crypto. You can pick from any chain, Ethereum, Polygon, BNB, AVAX. Those are pretty much all the chains that I have anything on. You can pick those chains, pick any asset on that chain. So like I'll just do BUSD just to show you how this works. I'm going to pay $1,000 off on this credit card and click pay with BUSD. I'm going to use my Trezor safety first, by the way, but I'm going to confirm, wait for the transaction to be approved, and then the payment's sent. And it says 3 to 4 business days. I say that normally it takes 2 days or so, but then it shows up on your directly on your credit card statement, just as a payment received. It's incredible. This has been a game changer for me. It also works as a crypto off-ramp. So you can put in your routing number, your account number, and the same exact process. You can send crypto direct to your bank account from any chain, pretty much any asset. And this has been a game changer too. You can also send money to people. If somebody wants money for something, or you need to pay someone for something, you just grab the account number, routing number, and you can put money straight into their account from your MetaMask wallet. This is a game changer, makes life so easy. So how do you make 50 bucks off of this, you might ask? Well, use my referral link. So you might ask, well, how do I make $50 off of this? If you use my referral link, you can go ahead and sign up, connect your MetaMask wallet, connect to credit card, and after your first bill, you get 50 bucks automatically. So if you have crypto and you have a credit card, I don't see any reason to not at least try this out. And again, I was skeptical at first. My first payment I made, I was like, let me try $10 just to make sure. I was like, there's no way I do this from MetaMask and it actually shows up on my credit card statement. But it did. It worked perfectly. And now I processed hundreds of thousands of dollars on my credit card through this. I know that there's some other big things in the works. I know they're working on Spritz card, which would be a debit card they send you that's preloaded from your MetaMask wallet. So a lot of things that are in the works for this company. I hope this was helpful for you. Link below to sign up. Appreciate all you guys and hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks.